show that the function f of x equals 2x plus 1 over x minus 2 is 1 to 1. Now, if we're just learning about one-to-one functions, then we're probably not very comfortable graphing these types of functions. This is a rational function, and graphing that is pretty involved, actually. And so if we're not sure how to graph that, then using the horizontal line test is pretty much out of the question here. But we can go back to the definition of a one-to-one function. And we're going to start with f of x1 equals f of x2. And to show that a function is one-to-one, you need to show that this leads to x1 equaling x2. So we're going to go ahead and do that here. F of x1 in this function is 2x1 plus 1 over x1 minus 2. And that is equal to, now, f of x2. 2x2 plus 1 over x2 minus 2. Now our goal, and I'll write this over here, goal is to end up with x1 equals x2 to show that this is one-to-one. Let's just start by cross-multiplying here. All right, so we've got 2x1 plus 1 times x2 minus 2 equals 2x2 plus 1 times x1 minus 2. Okay, now I've gotten rid of fractions, which is nice. Let's go ahead and distribute everything so it's a little bit easier to work with here. So here we've got 2x1, x2, and then 2x1 times negative 2 is minus 4x1, and then plus 1 times x2, and then 1 times negative 2. And similarly over here, we'll do the same thing. We get 2x1, x2 minus 4x2 plus x1 minus 2. All right, now we can do quite a bit of simplification. You'll notice both sides have this 2x1, x2. Okay, so we can just subtract it from both sides and get rid of it. And similarly, both sides have this minus 2, so we can go ahead and get rid of those. And then we can just kind of combine some stuff. So let's go ahead and add 4x1 to both sides. 4x1 plus 4x1. And we're going to add 4x2 to both sides. Plus 4x2 plus 4x2. Okay, so here those cancel, and we have 5x2 equals. Here those cancel, and we have 5x1. And that's super nice, because now we're ready to just divide both sides by 5. And we are left with x2 equals x1. That's exactly what we needed. x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, we have shown that f is 1 to 1.